All right, what's our next phase, Steve-O?
The next phase? The next phase is to make sure not only that you're draining and cooling, is that things are up to par. Gotta clean some of that. I'm gonna take this. Oh, this is a. There you go. Yeah. The next phase, looking at your blower wheel.
Of course, we got obstacles in the way.
Oh, it's okay. It's all right. No, there will be a contactor here, but there isn't.
Oh, there
breaker.
wasn't.
Yeah, it's like a breaker, like a either disconnect or a breaker.
And that's up there's a flywheel, you called it?
Blower wheel.
Blower wheel.
The blower wheel. This is your coil, your evaporator coil. This is the TXV, which I see it's beginning to rust. But I look at your blower wheel on the inside, which is good. I looked at the evap coil, which is good. Nothing major at all. The drain pan is clean. Yeah, that pan is clean. Yeah.
So that all looks good in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then that thing you said was a little bit rusted, or?
Yeah, I mean, you'll have some rust, you know. You know, all this little rusty stuff. But, I mean, I've seen some where it was completely rusted out. And you don't have a lot of bio growth in here. So it was a perfect opportunity to get like a UV light whenever you want in the future.
So that's good then.
Mm-hmm. Now, all I gotta do now is...
Need some more paper towels?
Oh, yeah.
We got a bunch of them.
Yeah, things are...
We give you a roll. You need a roll?
Ooh. Thank you.
There you go.
Jeez, thank you.
Yeah.
I use up so many of this because I come across a lot of systems that need it, you know?
Well, shoot, I had some right here.
Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Oh, nice picture.
Yeah.
Who's that?
That's breakfast at Tiffany's. I can't remember her name.
It looks like it was made in like
Famous 1960s movie star.
Oh, jeez. That's like, that's back then, you know? Yeah, I became...
What year were you born?
89.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. October 3rd, 89.
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Oh, jeez. I had to celebrate it going to the funeral home for my mom.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I lost my mom in May.
May?
Yeah.
Of this year?
Yeah. So it's hard. So hard.
Jeez. I apologize for that, man. I mean, I see that your system is good. There's nothing wrong at all. You're good.
So we're cool, huh?
Yes, sir.
Just got to put the plates back on and we're ready to rock.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
I have to put one more thing in here. There's
Oh,
one more thing.
that disinfectant stuff.
There's a gel tab.
Oh, gel tab.
Yeah.
And the gel tab is like like chlorine or something?
No, it just reduced the amount of the algae growth. I'm not sure exactly the substance that it's made out of. I can always read it, but I never even bothered reading it. But it's something that sanitizes the interior of the system.
Oh, cool.
Just have to get one thing. So it's like a gel tab that goes in here. I'm gonna go get that. Gel tab. It reduced the amount of algae growth in your drain pan, which means in the whole drain line.
So you just put it right in there like that, and that's
Yep,
it.
That's it.
We just leave her there, and that keeps
That's
that
it.
algae from building up.
Yes. compared to how it was before to now, I'm sure it's looking a lot better.
Oh yeah, much better.
Oh yeah. Or he or she, their tech that was there. But
Well, we talk to Wendy and Steve all the time. So
Yeah.
I will make sure that he knows how good you did a great job.
thank you. I try, I do the best that I can do. I don't cheap shot anybody. I don't do no shortcuts. I do the best that I can do. Keep it honest, keep it respectful, keep it, clear. Yeah, see?
Looks so much nicer now.
Yeah, it's gonna get a lot better. Over time. Time after time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I have one more. Right here. And this one goes right here. I'm gonna have to get some tape. I'm gonna take that. And then, now we have this clean. Oh yeah, you see?
Yeah.
UV light would have prevented that. But getting your maintenance prevents it as well. Compared to how it was looked before to now, much different. I wanted to know how to service it. I can install ACs now. Fabricated. I can, bypass breakers, install transformer, install blue wheel, install evap coils. Doing a lot, and then I like what I do. It helps a lot. It does.
Especially to understand the science of it.
Oh yeah, it has a lot of science, a lot.
Because you have to understand the electricity, you have to understand the
that
chemical.
too, that as well. Yeah, yeah, it is science. This is science. Pretty much science. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much done here. You're draining. All I have to do is make sure your system is up and cooling. And just keep, with good maintenance. Yeah.
Voila.
That's it.
So we're gonna hit this.
Yes. So we see it's matching.
Right.
So we need to drop it below 76.
Hit it a couple times. So now we're gonna go to 74.
Yeah.
You're gonna hear a click, and you want to see cool on, auto,
Yeah.
cool, and it's below 76. So we're trying to get to 74, but it's below 76. So until that 74 hits 76, then it'll turn off.
All right, cool. There's the blower.
Yeah. That's it.
Now what do we do?
Look at it clean now.
Damn, yeah.
Oh, and then I do this. So to keep the hot air from going inside, I tape it. And the tape here. I gotta tape this, And
that seals it up good.
Yes. I gotta apply more tape though. It just keeps the hot air from getting inside, That's not good. Especially in the long run, you know? And then last but not least.
It's your gloves.
Yeah, you see that? Ah. It's not even Gorilla Glue. I'm a Gorilla Tape. This is...
Thorough.
There we go. Awesome.
All right, looking good.
Oh yeah. And it gets better.